Feed the little one. The apron will show you how many treats they want to eat. 4. Ice cream. Well done. Brilliant. Very good. 3. 3. Blueberry. Well done. Brilliant. Very good. 5. 5. Ice cream. Well done. Brilliant. Very good. Thank you. All of them are well fed and happy. Bell pepper. Good. Ice cream. Good. Middle. Bell pepper. Good. Small. Bell pepper. Small. Strawberry. Middle. Strawberry. Big. Strawberry. Good. Small. Ice cream. Good. Middle. Ice cream. Victory! Now all the funnies are in the right places.